IOE 413, Game Theory in Healthcare Study Guide. This problem deals with Nash equilibrium. So let's just write down for review what the conditions are that need to be true for a pair I star J star to be Nash equilibrium for a two-person game. If the payoff matrix for player 1 is A, then we need I star J star there. That subscript A sub I star comma J star has to be greater than or equal to A subscript I comma J star for all I. We also need B I star comma J star to be greater than or equal to B I star comma J for all J. So this question wants you to verify that this pair I star J star is equal to 2, 2 is indeed a Nash equilibrium for the prisoner's dilemma game defined by matrices A and B. We saw on the last screen that these are the conditions for a Nash equilibrium. So let's apply these conditions to A and B and just demonstrate that they hold. So A I star comma J star, I star J star being 2, 2 means that we're going to look for this left-hand side here. Okay, we're going to look for A 2 comma 2 is greater than or equal to A 1 comma 2, because we're doing for all I here. For all I will take on values of 1 and 2. So this inequality is for the case where I is equal to 1. And now for the case where J is equal to 2, we do A2, 2 is greater than or equal to A2, 2. So this is the case for I equals 1, and this is for I equals 2. Now let's do B. B is for all J, so J takes on values of 1 and 2. So B I star comma J star on the left-hand side is B2 comma 2. That's greater than or equal to. On the right-hand side, we'll take J's value of 1 first, so that's 2 comma 1. And then we'll do an inequality for when J is equal to 2, and that'll be B 2 comma 2 is greater than or equal to B 2 comma 2. So we just need to show that the values in A and B satisfy these conditions. So let's just plug them in. A 2 comma 2 is this one, negative 2. So we have negative 2 is greater than or equal to A 1 comma 2, that's negative 3. And we have A 2 comma 2 is greater than or equal to A 2 comma 2. A 2 comma 2, second row, second column, negative 2 there again. We have negative 2 is greater than or equal to negative 2 because that shows up on both sides. Now let's do B. B 2 comma 2, if you go down to the second row, second column, you have negative 2. Have negative 2 is greater than or equal to. And B 2 comma 1, so second row, first column, it's negative 3. And then B 2 comma 2 is negative 2. Right there. It's greater than or equal to B 2 comma 2. Right there again. Negative 2. All of these inequalities are true, and therefore the pair I star J star is equal to 2 comma 2 corresponds to a Nash equilibrium.